Hello students, now the exercise 3.2 of chapter 3. Question number 1 is write the answer of each of the following questions. Questions are given, 3 questions are given and we have to write their answer. Question number first is what is the name of horizontal and vertical line drawn to determine position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Okay, in the introduction part I explained you what is Cartesian plane. In that Cartesian plane, what is the name of that horizontal and the vertical line to determine the position of any point? Okay, what is the name of horizontal line in that Cartesian plane? Horizontal line. So this line is for x axis. Okay, x axis. So the first is the horizontal line is for the x axis, and the vertical line, this one, is for y. So the vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point in Cartesian plane is y, the y axis. So answer of first question is okay, the x axis. Okay, the name of horizontal line drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane is the x axis, and the name of vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane is the y axis. This is the answer for first question. Now second one is what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? Okay, but for the parts which formed by these two lines, what are their names? Okay, let's see the figure 3.13. Okay, this is the figure 3.13. When we combine the horizontal and vertical number line, this is formed, which is the Cartesian plane. So these are four parts. Okay, there are four parts. So these parts are the quadrants. Okay, this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third, and this one is the fourth. So the each part of the plane formed by these two lines is quadrant. So the answer of second question is quadrant. So we'll write second answer is quadrant. Okay, now third, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Now again see the number line, figure 3.13. okay, the point where they meet, where they intersect, these two lines intersect, this point is the origin. This point is the origin. So the answer of third question is the origin. Okay, third answer is the origin, because on the point, the meeting point or the intersecting point of these two lines is called origin. Now in question number 2 we have to see the figure 3.14, which is given on the next page, on page number 61. We have to see that figure 3.14 and we have to write the following. The coordinate of B